Update: third wave of COVID now in Malaysia. There is a national COVID lockdown in Malaysia as COVID-19 infections surge. Is this pandemic ever going to end? When will international tourism start again? Malaysia has gone into full national lockdown amid a surge in COVID-19 infections, including highly contagious variants that are putting the healthcare system under pressure. According to Thai PBS World, the Malaysian PM Mr Yassin has announced a ban on social gatherings along with interstate and inter-district travel. Malaysia is facing a third wave of COVID-19 that could trigger a national crisis, the PM said. Schools and other educational institutions are shut, but the Prime Minister says some economic sectors can continue operating. The lockdown is in force until June 7, with the PM saying the presence of new and highly contagious variants that put pressure on the health system means there is no other choice. Malaysia has seen a spike in infections in recent weeks and has now reported 444,484 cases and 1,700 deaths. Malaysia has been reporting up to 4,000 new cases a day this week. Last week, the country recorded its first case of the so-called Indian variant, which was found in an Indian national at Kuala Lumpur International Airport. Malaysia remains under the state of emergency introduced in January to curb the spread of the virus. You are not permitted to enter Malaysia as a tourist. If you plan to visit Malaysia, you must obtain approval from the Malaysian government to enter. You will also be subject to quarantine in a government facility on arrival. Travellers are responsible for all testing and quarantine costs in Malaysia. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to help the channel grow.